Ever wondered how to get your driver's license in Illinois? Well, buckle up because we're about to take a journey through the process. It's not just a one-step wonder, oh no, it's a series of stages designed to ensure you're road-ready and safe to join the motoring world. This video will be your roadmap, guiding you through every turn from basic requirements to the final test. So rev up your engines and stay tuned to learn about the step-by-step process of obtaining your driver's license in Illinois. Before we begin, if you find this video to be helpful and informative, please push the like and subscribe buttons to my channel for more videos like this. Before you start, there are a few basic requirements you need to meet. First up, the minimum age. In the state of Illinois, you must be at least 15 years of age to start the process of obtaining your driver's license. If you're under 18, however, you'll need a little extra help. Your parent or guardian must give their consent for you to proceed. They'll be involved in your journey, so it's a team effort. Now, you might be 15 and have your parents' consent, but there's one more hurdle to jump before you can hit the gas. You'll need to pass a vision screening. This ensures the safety of both you and other road users. It's crucial that you meet the state's vision standards to be eligible for a license. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to the first step in the process. The first step to getting your driver's license is obtaining your learner's permit. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a learner's permit? Well, it's essentially a provisional license that allows you to get behind the wheel and practice driving, but under certain conditions. First off, you'll need to pass a written test. This test covers traffic laws, road signs, and safe driving techniques. So, it's crucial to study the Illinois Rules of the Road booklet thoroughly. Once you've aced your written test and have your learner's permit, you're allowed to drive. But remember, you must always have a licensed driver who is at least 21 years old in the car with you. This is not a stage to rush through. You're required to hold your learner's permit for a minimum period before you can apply for a driver's license. So use this time wisely and practice, practice, practice. With your learner's permit in hand, you're one step closer to getting your driver's license. Next up is the behind-the-wheel training. This stage is crucial, as it allows you to apply what you've learned in a real-world context. In Illinois, you'll need to complete a minimum of 50 hours of supervised driving, with at least 10 of those hours happening at night. But who's going to supervise you, you ask? Well, this is where a certified driving school comes into play. They provide trained professionals who will guide you through the process, ensuring that you're not just learning to drive, but learning to drive safely. It's important to remember that while 50 hours might seem like a lot, it's not just about meeting a quota. It's about gaining experience, improving your skills, and developing safe driving habits. So take your time, practice, and learn at your own pace. Once you've completed your behind-the-wheel training, you're almost there. Stay tuned for what's next in your journey to obtaining your Illinois driver's license. The final step is the driving test. This is where you demonstrate your practical knowledge of handling a vehicle and observing traffic rules. The test typically involves maneuvers like parallel parking, turning, and general navigation. It's not just about controlling the car, but also about being aware of your surroundings and making safe, legal decisions on the road. It's essential to pass this test to get your Illinois driver's license. You'll need a vehicle in good working order for the test. It's crucial that this vehicle has no mechanical issues and that all lights, signals, and safety features are operational. Remember, this isn't just a requirement for the test, it's a vital aspect of safe driving in general. Think of the driving test as your opportunity to show you've mastered the rules of the road and are ready to join the ranks of responsible Illinois drivers. Pass this test, and you'll have your Illinois driver's license in no time. So that's the process of getting your driver's license in Illinois. We've walked through the journey from understanding the basic requirements, obtaining your learner's permit, gaining behind-the-wheel experience, right up to acing the driving test. Each step is crucial to ensure that you're not just a licensed driver, but a safe one too. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing, stay safe, and soon you'll be holding your own Illinois driver's license. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.